In a quiet town surrounded by fields and dusty roads, there lived a young man named Suhail. Suhail was full of dreams. He often imagined himself becoming successful and changing his life. Every evening, Suhail sat with his friends near a small tea stall. He spoke about the future and said that one day he would build a successful business and become respected in the town. People admired his ambition. But Suhail had a habit. Whenever someone asked when he would start working on his dreams, he simply smiled and said, "I will do it tomorrow." Every morning the town became busy. Farmers went to their fields and shopkeepers opened their stores. But Suhail stayed in bed, thinking there was always time later. One day an old teacher from the town visited Suhail. The teacher had watched him grow up and believed Suhail had great potential. The teacher took Suhail to a small garden behind his house. In the garden, there were two plants growing side by side. One plant was tall and green. The other plant was weak and dry. The teacher asked Suhail which one he thought would survive. The teacher explained, "This strong plant grew because it was cared for every day. The weak plant was ignored. Dreams are exactly the same." That night, Suhail could not sleep. He kept remembering the two plants in the garden. He thought about the time he had wasted, the opportunities he had ignored, the dreams he had postponed again and again. He finally whispered to himself in the quiet darkness, "If I keep waiting for tomorrow, my future will disappear." At that moment, he made a decision. Before the sun rose the next morning, something different happened. Suhail woke up early. He stepped outside and felt the cool morning air. Instead of saying tomorrow, he started working that very day. He made a plan, learned new skills, and worked harder than ever before. Day by day, his discipline grew stronger. Slowly, his dreams began turning into reality. Years later, people in the town spoke about Suhail with respect. They said, "He was once a dreamer who delayed everything, but the day he stopped saying tomorrow, his life truly began." Dreams are like plants. They grow only when you care for them every day. If you keep waiting for tomorrow, tomorrow may never come. Start today. Even a small step can change your future.